everybody, this is Tazlon for Drop Top Tees. We're going to do a real quick video today to show you how to adjust V-MAXX coilovers on a 124 Spider. Now these are a little different than a lot of coilovers in that they only have two adjustment rings. They only have two rings. A lot of coilovers have a adjustment up here too. And so all we need is a wrench. And I'm going to lift this about 1/4 of an inch. Some people will tell you to put like a piece of tape right here. Easier to use a tape measure. Measure from the bottom thread to the bottom here and see where it is now. If you know you're going to go up 1/4 of an inch, then you just raise it 1/4 of an inch and lock it in and you're good to go. I'm going to loosen it. Now I can raise this up. It's going to take a few turns. So to raise it, I'm going to move them up. If I wanted to lower it, I would move them down. And again, the best way to get accurate readings is to use a tape measure. Don't just put a tape on here. People put one piece of tape and count how many times they rotated it. Measure it. When I take the heavy adjustment right, I want to take the bottom ring only and cinch it up against the top, the little higher ring. To lock it down. Okay, good to go. That's all there is to it. So if you have coilovers on and you want to raise and lower, it's really simple. Take the wheels off, use a measuring tape to see how far it is from the bottom thread, adjust the ring either to the right to go up, to the left to go down, measure, then proceed to your other wheels, do the same thing. If you measure with the tape measure, you can get equal adjustments on all your shocks. If you like the video, thumbs up.